In today's video, we're taking a closer look at Avaamo, an AI-powered chatbot designed to assist businesses in streamlining their customer service and sales. Avaamo is a platform that provides businesses with automated conversations, improving both customer interaction and workflow efficiency. The website is well-designed and offers various integrations, allowing companies to engage with customers across multiple channels. When you first sign up, Avaamo gives you access to a simple and intuitive dashboard. This dashboard allows you to create custom chatbots tailored to your specific business needs. It also offers analytics to track chatbot performance, which is a useful tool for improving customer interactions. Avaamo's key feature is its ability to handle complex conversations, offering responses that are contextually relevant. One of the standout features is Avaamo's multilingual support, which can be a game changer for businesses with a global customer base. It can communicate in various languages, making it an excellent choice for international companies. However, I have noticed that it may not always handle the nuances of certain languages perfectly, which could lead to some miscommunication. Avaamo also integrates seamlessly with popular platforms such as WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and Slack, ensuring that your chatbot is where your customers are. The integration process is smooth, though it may require some time to fully configure, especially for those who are not very tech-savvy. Your business is growing, but handling every message is tough? ManyChat takes over, turning chats into sales. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. When it comes to pricing, Avaamo is not the cheapest option available. However, considering the features and the ability to manage complex conversations, it might be worth the investment for businesses that require more advanced capabilities. For small businesses with a limited budget, this could be a significant drawback. Another aspect to consider is the support Avaamo provides. While they offer a comprehensive knowledge base and support articles, reaching a support representative can be slow at times. This could be a frustration if you run into any technical difficulties. Avaamo's AI technology is impressive, but human intervention is sometimes needed to resolve issues. Overall, Avaamo offers a solid solution for businesses looking to automate customer service and enhance customer experience. Its powerful AI capabilities, multilingual support, and integrations make it a reliable choice for businesses with global ambitions. However, its pricing and support responsiveness may not be ideal for every company. If you're thinking about automating your customer service with Avaamo, be sure to explore all the features and consider if it fits your specific business needs. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this one.